Today I am going to discuss about Web API. Web API is an extensible framework for building HTTP based services that can be accessed in different applications on different platforms. What is WCF? WCF is also a framework for building service oriented applications. WCF stands for Windows Communication Foundation. Let's see what are the differences between Web API and WCF. WCF is used for SOAP services and Web API is used for both SOAP and RESTful services. WCF do not support any MVC features. Only Web API support MVC features. WCF support HTTP and UDP. Web API support only HTTP protocol. When compared to WCF, Web API is better choice because it is simple and lightweight service. Web API is faster than WCF. Web API do not need any data contract. Web API uses web standard securities such as basic authentication, token authentication, and OAuth. Web API provides flexibility. And also, Web API make it easy to provide the response to the client request. The response depends on the request of the client. Web API build the HTTP services and handle the request using the HTTP protocol. Request may be get, post, delete, or put. Get means get the data. Post means push data into the database. Delete means remove the data. Put means updation. We use Web API for creating RESTful services. RESTful stands for Representational State Transfer. As I said previously, it supports MVC architecture features. Web API allows displaying data in various formats, such as XML and JSON. It is a framework that uses the HTML services to make it easy to provide a response to the client request. Now let's see the differences between MVC and Web API. We use MVC for developing web applications. Web API is used for generating HTTP services. Using action in MVC, we return output, but Web API, we return data in various formats like JSON, XML. Web API supports content negotiation, self-hosting, but MVC do not support those things. Web API includes various features of MVC such as routing and model binding. This is the overview of Web API. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.